My name is Demetrius Burnett, and I'm a senior representing the class of 2013. I want to be Mr. BSU because I feel that I represent just that, the black students. I feel that through the different things I've experienced, I'm black students unified. In that I am just a black man on campus, being black at Brown. I'm the black athlete. I'm the poet. I've been involved in Amani Jubilee through the choir and just a normal ministry, Divine Rhythm Liturgical Group. In that ministry, just really I know what it's like to be one of the few black guys or black people in Perkins as a freshman, but also be that homie, that guy you come to chill with in Harambe for my sophomore and my junior year. I really do feel that I represent so many different parts of the black student and the black experience here at Brown University. So no matter what it is, I've been a part of it, whether it's from just being a student in academics or even, the social life as a black Greek myself. So, I want to be Mr. BSU because I feel like I represent the black students. I'm an image of black students unified. So, vote for me, Demetrius Burnett, as a candidate for Mr. and BSU.